What's going on, guys? Episode 3 of Frankenstein Fidgets. We've got a Magnus slider here with a sandwich anodized by Zach Hughes. Awesome job. We've got the Compiform Allure V3 and then the wrapped V2 from Modusworks. Let's turn them into one giant monstrosity. Yeah, this is an ugly one, but let's see. Now the Allure actually ladders off of it pretty well. The Modusworks does not work as well against the Magnus, but yeah, not strong enough. All right, that's Frankenstein Fidgets Ep3. Kyle, sign